A very good morning. This is Ruhani on the behalf of Matrid Technologies, welcoming you all to a learning session of nopCommerce of how to add new or manage the simple product using the basic settings. Well, it is a known fact that 60% of online customers they prefer to purchase from the online customers who show their detailed product information. So in our video today, we are going to cover all the points that you need to know for adding or managing the simple product for your new or existing nopCommerce store using the basic settings. So let's move ahead and go to our admin panel here. From the left panel, you have to click on this link of catalog and fetch the sublink of products. We will start adding our product by clicking on Add New button. Great. Now, we have this toggle, you can see that switches between the basic and advanced settings for our store. But we are using the basic switch for our current video. Okay, so we start with the option of adding the product name, which we are going to take for instance as area eyes white casing. Next, we are going to have the short description which is shown in the catalog. That can be a one-liner for your product description, which I'm gonna just paste from my notepad here. Great. Next, we are going to have a full description that will be shown on the product page, which can be highlighted well with the different text and layouts or images with the help of this built-in editor. We are going to give the full description, which I'm gonna paste from the same notepad. It is. So, in order to highlight this, I'm gonna make it a bit bold and italic, and I'm gonna put the name of area icefly highlighted with a red color here. See? There. Next, we're going to have SKU. This is a stock keeping unit, a unique internal ID which can be from your another internal systems or Excel sheets, or you may be using the same as you got from your distributor or manufacturer. Here we are assigning it as EDE. Great. Next we are going to have our section of prices. Here we are having our first option, that is of price. Great. Now that can be defined with the desired currency. The default currency here is USD, but you can alter that from here. Configuration, you have to go here, and from here you can change the currency for your nopCommerce store. Okay. Getting back to our option, I'm gonna to have my price as 749.00 USD. Great. Next, we are going to have tax exempt. Let me highlight it for you this way. Great. Now, if the product is exempted from the tax, then this checkbox can be ticked in, and else when it is disabled, like we are not ticking it, so it is disabled. So this will show the next option of this tax category. Now here, the required tax classification, it can be selected from the given drop down list. Okay, or you can create your own new tax categories from the configuration menu. Let me have a clear vision for this. From this configuration menu, you have to go to the tax, click on this, and you can build your tax categories from here. Great. For our instance, we are going to select apparel. Now, moving towards the right hand side, we are having towards right above corner, we have this column of inventory. right? Now, here we have three options for inventory method. Don't track inventory, track inventory, track inventory by product attributes. Do refer to my video on product attributes for how to add or manage product attributes. Anyhow, for our instance, I'm going to track the inventory by product attributes as our product comes in different colors. Okay. Now we step ahead with our section of shipping. Now, where the option of shipping enabled needs to be ticked to get the shipping collected. Let me highlight for you. This option need to be ticked to get the shipping calculated during the checkout. We are keeping this enabled for our product, and this will make us define some more fields of weight, length, width, height, right? So you may leave it 0 in case you do not have dimensions and weight for your product. For various shipping configurations, I'm soon going to do another video. So keep watching and do not forget to subscribe our company channel for tutorials on different e-commerce platforms. So we, for our instance, are having the weight for our product as 3.747 lbs and the length is 205. Great, 205 inches. Now, next we are going to have mappings. This is where we can map our product to the given field of categories. Okay, so you can assign as many product categories your product can be sold under. You can even create the new categories from here, catalog. You see that? You have to click on this. Then you have to go to the categories, and you can create your new product categories, which are anyhow detailed in this discussed in our earlier video. Okay, you can check that out. So in our present instance, we are going to select our product category, that is apparel, shoes. Now save all the data, scroll above, and save all the data with save and continue edit. Here it is saved. Great. And now it is toggled again to advanced. We toggle it back to basic. And now we move to the next tab of picture. Now this will make you upload the image you wish to display. It can be one or more than one, which can be managed accordingly with this display order in priority, right? For instance, we will be uploading one image for our product, which I've already saved on my desktop. Let me get to my desktop. Here it is. To get selected. It's selecting. Give me a moment. Let me select it like this. Where is the image? Here it is, and I'm selecting it again. Anyhow, just selecting something else. Let me do it again. Here. Now, adding our ice fly boot, we can see now the picture have been uploaded. We need to click on this add product picture. Here you can see, right? So you need to be careful for the dimensions of the picture so that it does not come distorted on the front end. You can refer to our another tutorial for the same, and how can we set up the effective image sizes in nopCommerce. Great. Let's save it and continue edit. It is saved. Now we get back to our product info page. Now, though we have covered all the relevant fields which are coming under the basic settings, which come by default with the nopCommerce installation, you can even choose the type of the field that you wish to display for your basic switch by clicking on the settings. Here, click on this. You can see. Now, this pop-up page appears in front of us, from which we can select the fields we wish to display for the product details page in the basic mode. Now, still, if any queries are left or any assistance is required, do reach us for nopCommerce support at nop@Matridtech.net. Or you can call us at 855-370-5570. So let's wrap up this video. I hope this session was helpful for you. This video was presented by Matrid Technologies. Have a great day.